It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter what you have or what you do not have. And it does not matter if you have a ton of money in the bank or if you don't have much money at all. I am here to guarantee you that if you desire to earn some extra income this week, this weekend, or even today, Flipping Cars for Profit is the perfect way to do exactly that. You can have $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 to your name. If you're looking for a way to use your money to earn more money, to double your own money, or even just earn some additional cash on top of the money that you already have, Flipping Cars for Profit is exactly right for you. Flipping Cars for Profit is one of, if not the best side hustle out there, because you can literally earn a few extra thousands as soon as you get started. It literally does not take much time at all. Listen, I want you to start today. I want you to earn some extra income today. I want you to have the ability to earn income outside of your 9 to 5. I want you to be financially independent, financially free, and not having to worry about your next check, your next mail, how the bills will get paid. At the very least, I want you to have additional money in your pocket so that you're not just living paycheck to paycheck. I want you to be able to pay your bills and your responsibilities, but still have money left over for yourself. You deserve it. You deserve to be financially free. And what I can guarantee my audience is if you pay attention to this channel, I will hold your hand and walk you through step by step of achieving that financial freedom through Flipping Cars for Profit. This is the perfect side hustle for you. You don't need much money or some years worth of education to get started. All you need to double your money today is literally two things: the ability to drive a car and common sense. If you can bring these two things, I can teach you the rest. How to double, triple, quadruple the money in your bank account today. It's not rocket science. To earn money in this game is a very simple process. We buy a car super cheap, put some money into it for repairs, then relist it and sell it for what it's actually worth. If you can do this process and do it well, you will earn double, triple, and even quadruple the money that you put into the vehicle. I want to use this channel to show you guys exactly how to do that. Flipping cars has literally changed my life, and I know this side hustle that turned full-time for me can make you just as financially free and free of worry. That being said, I think you know why Flipping Cars for Profit is a great idea, and this channel is going to teach you everything you need to know to get started right away. Pay attention, take action. I hope to see you guys in the next video.